Wow. Thank you.
So your key card is located near the door. You have one.
Okay.
But if ever, just in case you need an extra key, don't hesitate to approach us at the front desk.
Okay.
And then for your Wi-Fi password, I wrote it down. That's your last name, small letters, --301.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
your stay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your stay. Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy your stay, po.
Thank you.
We also have complimentary foot wash. Would you like to do it now? I can send someone to assist you with that.
I'm okay.
Okay, you can just call 0 if ever. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Shower. The little bench. Nice.
Welcome home.
Toilet.
Oh.
Sink. And amenities. Nice closet. We're gonna be here 4 days, babe. A little bar. So we got some nice water, some coffee. And this does not open underneath. Oh, it does, because that's a fridge. Standard Sprite, Coke, water, beer. I really doubt there's anything in the freezer, but ice cubes. Wow, most places don't have that. So this is the main floor. Still no desk, but that's okay. Balcony. So we don't have a view of the ocean there. We do have a balcony. So this room does not have a view of the ocean, but it has a view of the pool. Although, I think we're gonna have a view from the loft.
What's the password?
It's our last name -301. Babe, you checked out the upstairs. Air conditioner. And for some reason, a very large teddy bear. I have no idea why there's a large teddy bear in our room. And they'll wash our feet for us if we want.
I want to see the discovery show what I can.
Oh my word. They left they actually wrote that in our room.
Yeah, you didn't see that?
No. And then from here, we have a very high ceiling with a loft up there. And now comes time for, ooh, I like to collect pens and tablets, so I have something else for my collection. Babe, let's check out the upstairs.
I can think. I can. No. I haven't taken pictures yet.
It's okay. It's a little slippery.
Ooh. Oh, you have bathroom tape. This is your room. For Fortnite.
Oh, good. The desk. So, this is the view from the desk. You can actually see the...
Wow, big TV.
And here we go. We got a big TV up here. This is the moment we've been waiting for. What's out here, babe?
Woo! It's ready!
Oh my god. And we can see the ocean from the hot tub. Whoa. This is the view from our own hot tub. Our own jacuzzi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sure you want to go into the view mall today? Oh wow. I was a little disappointed by the view from our room, but upstairs, wow. So babe, what do you think?
Yeah, I like it made. Wait, I haven't taken pictures.
I am digging this room. What in the world is this? Some sort of mattress? I have no idea. And the bed. It's nice and soft. Looks like about a 50-inch. I don't know, 40 to 50 inch. It's not a 55. Laundry hamper, another closet with motion activated lights, and the master bathroom. Very similar to the one downstairs, looks identical, except the toilet's in a different spot, and the sink is inside the bathroom. Oh, loofah. Oh, I'm gonna press it. It works. Okay.
Welcome home.